Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails for another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. So basically, there was no update video last week because the weather was absolutely horrendous. It was Storm Fergus we had last weekend and it was completely flooded and wind and rain, so that's why I didn't do a update video for you guys last week. Sadly, one of my birds died again this morning. It's that one's sister, brown and white one. Yeah, brown and white one. So sadly, this is the first boil of water I've put down for them to bath in, because last week, like I said, my AV was completely flooded. So that's why I didn't put a bath bowl for them to bath in last weekend, because it was flooded. Again, not a lot to report to you guys. Don't know what's going on at the moment. They're just not really very quiet at the moment, and they're just not showing signs they want to nest, which is unusual. So guys, I'll end the video here. Not a lot to report, I know it's boring, but what can I do? Hopefully in the next few months we might start messing again, we'll see. So if you've got any questions about your birds or my birds, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll try and get various chance for them. Thank you to my new and old subscribers for supporting my channel. If you like the content of my videos, please give it a big thumbs up and look out for another update video coming soon.